Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss the subject fundamentals of technology. So that is FIT subject, and this subject is only for BCom computer application students and not for BCom generals. Okay, so total 5 units you will have. Basically it's a 50 marks question paper. Okay, passing marks is 18. Okay, 18. Question paper pattern will be: in part A you need to attempt 5 questions which carries 2 marks each question. For 2 marks, 5 to 6 lines you need to write it. Okay, out of 8 questions you need to attempt any 5 questions. Okay, in part B, in each question you will have the internal choice. Okay, either A or B. Okay, each question carries 8 marks. For 8 marks, minimum 1 page you need to write it. 1 page means front and back. Okay, so 9th question will come from unit number 1, 10th will come from unit number 2, like that it will come in part B. Okay, so total 50 marks paper. In your syllabus point of view, total 5 units you are having. First one is introduction to computer. This is the chapter names. Okay, so from unit number 1, long questions. Okay, long questions, what is important is, most important is different types of input and output devices. This is the first important question. Second important question is block diagram of a computer. Okay, this is the second important question. Third important question is classification of computer or generations of a computer. These 3 questions, if you have learned these 3 questions, means compulsory you will attempt one long question which carries 8 marks and one short question 2 marks, total 10 marks weightage. Okay, so from unit number 1, 10 marks weightage you will get by reading these 3 questions. Okay, if you learn long questions, no need to learn short questions. All the short questions will cover from long questions only. So that's why you prepare well for long questions only. Front and back 2 sides you need to write it, and try to draw the diagrams like computer, like small diagrams you need to write. Presentation is very much important. So this is the list of questions which is useful for your short. Okay, so all the questions you have already covered in long questions. Okay, unit number 2, the long important questions. The most long important question is primary and secondary storage device. Okay, this is the first important question. Second important question is number system and its types. Okay, so explain about the number system. Third is binary arithmetic. These 3 questions are there in unit number 2. Okay, primary and secondary storage, number system and binary arithmetic. Okay, these 2, and these 5 questions is useful for 2 marks questions: zip drive, flash drive, RAM, ROM, cache memory, like this. Okay, in unit number 3 out of 4 questions, the top 3 questions is features of MS Word and types of software. What is software, and explain the types of software. This is the important question, and MS Word. And the third important question is features of MS Excel and spreadsheet. Okay, so this is the third unit important questions. And translator, system software, DBMS, database management system, will useful for short questions, 2 marks. And unit number 4 out of 4 questions, the top 2 questions is types of operating system or functions of operating system. So we can expect one question out of these 2 questions, either types of operating or functions of operating system. These 2 questions is enough from unit number 4, either types or functions, either types or functions. Okay, so if you want to learn other questions also, means types of programming languages also you can learn. Okay, and this is the list of questions which is useful for the short. Okay, DOS, assembler, like this. Okay, in unit number 5, the first important question is data transmission media, or else communication media, which is also known as communication media. This is the first important question. Second important question is types of network. Third important question is network topologies. These 3 questions is enough from unit number 5. Okay, so this is the list of 5 questions which is useful for short. OSI, topology, TCP/IP protocol, modem, this type of things. Okay, so this is about the FIT subject ma. Okay, attempt each and every question in your answer booklet. Whether you know or don't know the question, attempting question is very much important, and how you are presenting your answers is very much important to score O grade in this subject. Okay, so try to draw the diagrams of computer, mouse, keyboard, and flow charts. This type of things you need to use for your presentation skills. Examination timing is only 2 hours. In this 2 hours you need to attempt 5 long and 5 short. Okay, so see you all in next video, and thank you so much.